It is so dark in here. I just got my bumper. The last piece to the puzzle. Alright, well, it's not the last piece. I still got the fenders. So we're gonna try putting this bumper on. Let me empty my pockets, cause pockets ain't empty, brother. Well, Luke cracked this rear bumper, cause this is not Bali minus. Our road's fucked, so he kind of messed it up. Apparently, it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so we're gonna try getting this bumper back on, or bumper just on. It looks so fucking naked, dude. All right, that one doesn't work. All right, that's good. That's good right there. We got it, one hand. Wow, it's the most sunny it's ever been since I've been behind this camera. As you guys can see, I just put 2 wood blocks down there. The bumper looking mean. No, I can do like 2 holes right here with nuts and bolts, and I can do like 3 rivets right here, how I did on the back, or I can just do 2 right here. That's pretty solid. Same with the other side. Main question is like this part right here. How is that going to work? Am I going to drill holes, or, you know, depends how back it is. Like, that's how it's supposed to be. Also forgot I got these for the bumper. If I can get my nail. Yeah, oh, they sent me a nice quote. It was nice of them. Too bad my daytime running lights is wired up to something else. They look really nice. Yeah, so as you guys can see, like, I had to remove this projector because I have to sand this down more, so the bumper can sit flush in there. But I have to remove this pretty much in order to do that. Since I have this out, I do have extra lights. I'm going to be replacing those as well once I get the bumper on. Yeah, you can see there's like a lot of tools here. So after getting like all these things, grinding it out, making it flush, I got this side on. Well, this is like the best thing you can invest on. It's like $10 on Amazon, as well as these are like also $10, maybe 20 bucks. But yeah, it does not go anywhere. Like 1 hole there, and then do the same thing on the other side. I also realized my dumbass left the fans on, so my battery's dead and my battery's in the back. I just used a zip tie here. I don't know why it's not flush on this side as much. Not quite sure, but I'll lower the car for you guys and see how it is. I do have to swap the headlight bulb on this side. I already swapped it on this side. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that looks pretty freaking good. I got the LED lights on there. Those are my daytime running lights. That grill is not on there. I just put it on there just for you to look at it. Super excited. This side, we'll just figure it out. It's not too bad. But geez, got the bumper on, fenders on, side skirt, rear bumper. My door's not closed. Rear spoiler, roof spoiler. Next thing is I'm going to be cutting the quarter panel. Let me know, what do you guys think of this? I like it. And I'm really excited. Alright, that's it for this vlog. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, how you like it. I do have a grill coming. Might want to go a different route for the grill, so hopefully that should arrive in time. But that's it. Peace out until next time.